bridging the gap between the real world and digital. I think we're kind of getting more into the creative and code or design and development, depending on which alliteration you choose.
We once made a typewriter type by itself when you tweeted at it for an art installation with in partnership with Twitter, which I get so much mileage out of in conversation forevermore. Like that's like the one. It's like the one project where you're like, I can talk about this a lot.
I was inspired by PHP My Admin, which I think is maybe lacking design. No. Not the best system I've ever used. So I was like, oh, just take that and make it friendly and intuitive and safe. So that's where Directus, our software sort of stemmed from. Anybody on my team knows I'm a big fan of metaphors. And I thought for sure when you're talking about breaking the ship apart, you're going to go down the Theseus paradox.
Oh, right. Yeah.
And I was like, oh no, we're going pirates. We're doing pirates. I wanted a little bit more control and kind of stepped away. And I was like, all right, I just need to be able to sail my own pirate ship. Because even pirates, sometimes they're not pirating the way you want to pirate.
I've contributed a tiny bit.
Three.js?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's not really worth mentioning because it's so small in the scheme of things. They're real contributors.
You're doing it anyway.
It's like, okay, yes, I gave back a tiny bit to this tool that has helped me so much.
We'll call it a micro maintainer.
I think for things that are around, especially like creative and bringing creative ideas to life, I try and think of like, what are the tools that are like one person tools, right? Where you can go from nothing to done, like you were just describing, right? Where you're talking about like building, working on an experiment and then publishing it, right? And you've got all of that tooling in place. That means that you as one person can go from idea to execution to deployment and like live and actually in the real world, right?
Well, I feel like here's where we could also segue into Directus, which is...
I did have that written down, that like, Directus is kind of a bit of a one-person tool, right? In the sense that wait, where can I get one of those? I don't have one of those on my desk.
What is it? You got the swag.